Hello, welcome back to Budgeting with Debbie. It's coming up towards the end of the year, so I'm just going to do a quick coin counting video from what's in my box. I've got my husband sat next to me. We're going to do a quick time lapse just so you can see how much coinage we've got going on. Okay, I'll be back in a few minutes, guys. Bye. Right then, welcome back, guys. So we've counted up all of our cash and I've just put it into size order just so it's easy to see. We've actually got a couple of bags that we can fill up. So I'm going to fill them and take them to the bank. But let's just count up how much in total we've managed to save over the last couple of months. So bear with me a second. So we've got £46 and whoa, look at that. 4664. Whoa, is it a palindrome where it's the same forward and backward? Oh, that's spooky. Oh, oh. Might need to do an edit here, but that's just freaked me out a little bit. Things like that spook me. Right, sorry guys. So I'm just getting over the fact that I've got 4664. So I'm just going to bag up the full bag. So these are what bags we use in the UK. I don't know if you can see that very easily with them being clear. I know in America you guys tend to use the coin wraps. We don't have them here. We just use these little plastic bags. Not very good for the turtles, I suppose, but we tend to reuse them. So I've got a full bag of 20p's. It's £10 that goes in here. So that's that one. And then we've also got £10 in 50p's. So that's £20 to go towards whatever we decide to do with that. Right then, quick short video. Happy Christmas, guys. I'm off to watch Die Hard. Take care. Bye.